Hey, it's Bitty Penny. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the Oh So Inspired collaboration with Call Me Crafty Owl is the hostess with the mostest, and she has this beautiful team, and we will all be creating cards based on this one from Leanne West on her Instagram channel, which is One All Girl Studio. It's linked down below with a playlist and all the information you need. So the first thing I wanted to do was give you some ideas. If you have alphabet dies, awesome. I believe that's what Leanne probably used on her card. But if you don't be discouraged. Like, grab your stamps. I'm going to be using stamps for mine today. I think what's powerful about this kind of card design is the customized sentiment. So you can tell I've got lots of alpha stamps. What about like thickers or alpha stickers that you might have? Maybe you don't have any alpha stuff because that's not your jam. I think you could grab really like bold sentiments and use those instead. So I wanted to give you all of those ideas first. Second of all, I haven't shown y'all yet, but I got a Fairy Ranger happy birthday gift. And I have a whole haul, but I'm going to be using some of this stuff in my mixed media cards today. I'm making 4 5x7 cards, and I just figured something out. If you take a 9x12 sheet of paper and you cut it to 4.5 by 12, and then take that and cut it to 6 inches, you will have 4 pieces of 4.5 by 6 inch paper, which is perfect to go on the front of a 5x7 card. So this is some collage paper, tore beautifully going one way, will not tear at all going the other way. Don't understand this. I don't know how this is possible, but I tried to even use my ruler. That was a no-go. I had to use my scissors. Even my scissors honestly didn't want to cut it, but it did eventually. So that was interesting, but I do love this collage paper. It's from Dina Wakley's new release. I got it in a bundle with stencils. Again, I'm going to share that whole haul video with y'all later. I am using Mod Podge, and I'm using my silicone brushes, and I am putting this on. These are silicone like makeup brushes. I have seen them at the Dollar Tree many times now in their cosmetic section. So it's like for putting mask on your face. I never do that, but that's what they're for. I use them in my craft room for glue. So I'm just getting that collage paper down, letting it dry a bit. These cards required a lot of dry time. But while it was drying, I cooked up an idea. I can't wait to share that with y'all. But I am doing this grit paste now. This is the Crypt color. And what I was showing you there is this stuff is thick. So like my regular silicone brush would not work. So I had to use these palette kind of knives instead. Plastic or metal, it doesn't matter. They're super inexpensive, and I'd recommend you just have some in your stash if you like mixed media and you like working with paste or even acrylic paint and gesso and things like that. Yeah, mixed media. Very handy little tool and super inexpensive. I am spreading this paste in a few places on these backgrounds. This is what I was cooking up. That code right there will get you 50% off of this printable for the next 24 hours. I designed this to make some cute Halloween cards. I thought it was just so adorable. And so I'm going to use that today on my cards. I got the new mica sprays from Tim Holtz in my Ranger haul, and I'm using those as well. So, even though the printable is very pastel and kind of soft colors, I wanted contrast. So I went ahead and went for a dark background. But what I did is I sprayed directly on the background once it was dry. And then I'm using my big water like paintbrush to go in and spread these colors around. I played around a bit too with like distress crayons on here, and you're gonna see I just start adding colors. I believe I used all three colors from one set, which is a purple, a blue, and a green. I think they were all from one set. This is a pearlescent distress crayon that I had also gotten. I'm just using all the stuff, haul the stuff, use the stuff. Am I right? And I'm going to be moving that distress crayon all around as well. I've never had any of the pearlescent distress crayons. I want them all. It's a sickness. Anyways, now I'm getting my green on here. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the purple, except for this time I'm going to actually just spray directly on the paper because I want this to move around in between that grit paste and really kind of capture the detail of the stenciling that we did. So I'm kind of moving that all around, getting it really grungy. And what I wanted to show you guys today is kind of like the juxtaposed design ideas of being grungy and cute. They can go together. That was my goal today. My goal today was to merge grungy, amazing, mixed media goodness and things that are just terribly cute. So that's what I went for today. So I've got my printables all cut up. I just cut them out by hand. And then, yes, I fussy cut all of the letters out to create my sentiments today. I'll tell you, that card that we're using of Leanne's was so inspirational. I really wanted to use a lot of different aspects about it, and I'm hoping some of my other team members did. I know that whatever they did will be great, and you guys can see their videos by either the hashtag or the playlist, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So I'm just kind of lining all this stuff up. I did want to go ahead and use some of these stickers too. I've been hoarding these stickers because they're my favorite ones ever of alphas, but I finally used them. I decided to use 31, and 31 boos is my custom kind of sentiment that I'm doing on this card. And so I'm doing 2 cards that are 31 boos, and then I'm doing 2 cards that say "to ghoul for school." I'm going to show y'all something with these pops of color from scrapbook.com. Did you know that there's like a red plug that you have to remove before you use it for the first time? I don't know how widely that's known, but I thought I'd just pop it in there before I'm opening some new bottles and I'm using them for the first time. And I thought maybe somebody would like to know that that's a red plug that you take out before you try to use your pops of color. I put pops of color all over these cards. I used 3 different colors. Again, birthday haul. Yay for birthdays. Bitty Penny has new things to play with. Things that you can all find. So again, make sure you use the code OSIFUN. That's for Oso Inspired Fun. You will get this digital kit for $1, you guys. The normal price is going to be $2, but you can get it for $1 if you use that code. It's just a treat to say thank you. Thanks for watching our collaborations and hopping along and seeing everyone's videos. Thanks for watching my video and spending your time here with me on my channel. It is much appreciated. So here's how the cards ended up. I love the pearlescence, the mica that's on these. They really have a lot of luminous value to them, even though they're kind of dark and grungy backgrounds. I think they're super cute. I had so much fun making them. If you get these digitals, I hope you have fun making them too. And tag me on Instagram. I'm at Bitty Penny. I would love to see what you make. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this collaboration, and I'll see you next time. Bye.